In today's video, I'll show you on how you can download and install the Logitech C270 HD web camera or webcam driver on Windows 10 or 11. Now, if you navigate through the support logi.com, you will then be greeted with this menu right here. But to make the process easier, you can just navigate through Google. In here, you want to search for the Logitech C270 HD webcam driver on Windows 10 and 11, and then you want to navigate through the first result, which is once again from the Logitech support. In here, you want to scroll down, and then we have downloads HD webcam C270. You can just go ahead and click on the download now button, click on save, and from there you will be able to download the drivers itself, and then you can install it right after. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.